Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Product description: 4DRC M1 4K GPS drone with camera for adult and brushless and motor drones. Main features: easy operation, foldable and flexible. Level 7 fine recent, low battery power, auto return. Modularized and power battery, easy to pull out and charge, sport longer flying time. GPS hold function more stable than any other hold function outdoor. LED lighting equipment with LED navigation lights and controller indicator light for night flight. Smartphone Precision, download the app, user manual, QR code. Make smartphone as a prize camera tracker and controller. In-unit camera system: 120 wide angle scene shot, 90 adjustable 4K FHD camera to unlock the stunning sights this world has to offer. Share instantly to social media. Our app makes it simple to share your video on major social media platforms. Intelligent operation multifunction with custom flight follow me, trajectory flight, optical follow, posting, GPS, auto return, and so on. Two modes: novice mode, GPS mode. Novice mode limits the height to 200 meters to ensure safe operation. Turn on GPS mode. The maximum flight distance in 1600 meters. Enjoy outdoor fun. Follow me drone. 4K camera with shock absorption. 4K camera with shock absorption on 90 degrees rotation, adjustable lines, and 5G fluent FPV transmission will let you experience the world right before your eyes. GPS drone. GPS return to home. It will always return automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key. Return. Drone for adults. Follow me. No matter how fast you return, the 4D M1 Follow Me feature has you covered. Easily get professional image. Have a great flight. FPV drone. Waypoint flight. Plan your flying route by driving the dots on the bullet in map on the app. Recording beautiful scenery along the routes. Besides, the GPS mode will given you the expect posting detail of the drone. Drone with GPS point of interest. Choose a point and set a disturbed orbit, height, and radius. You can get an all-round display video of your interested point or be a center of the world. Footable drone. Optical follow posting. The optical follow is set on a fixed height using a double stable system, thus making hovering indoors very stable. Drone 4K GPS FPV real-time transmission fast and no tele 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission let you enjoy FPV fast person view experience, clear image and fluent live video all give player to you beyond imitation. Mobile smartphones that support 5G signals. Top drone gesture control. Top gear to activate this function when you face the camera and make a yaw gesture with a distance of 2-3 meter between you and camera. The camera takes one photo. When you make a palm gesture, the camera start recording. Drone for beginners. Headless mode. In headless mode, the drone's direction will be oriented to the direction of the pilot. No worry of losing direction. This function makes it perfect for kind and beginners. Drone 4K pre-assembled and compact foldable design. No need to assemble or put together the drone. It is ready to fly right out of the box. The small, compact and extremely portable design make it fun to take it anywhere and everywhere you go. Quadcopter drone 4K FPV camera with shock absorption 4K camera with shock absorption or 90 degrees rotation adjustable lines and 5G fluent FPV transmission will let you experience the world right before your eyes. Drone brushless model brushless motor with a stronger power brushless motor make it a quiet and better stability which makes